There are only 3 simple ingredients in today's recipe. It's super easy, super fast, and did I mention it's chocolate? Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today I'm showing you how to make cake mix chocolate cherry cake. If you've got a box of cake mix and a can of cherry pie filling, you're already on your way to making one of the easiest, most decadent desserts ever. To make it easier for you, I included the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to make our chocolate cherry cake is we need to prepare a baking dish. So I have a square 9x9 baking dish. I'm just gonna give it a nice coating of nonstick spray. Super easy, we don't want our deliciousness to stick to the pan. And then we are going to take an entire can of cherry pie filling and just put it right in the bottom of our baking dish. Super duper easy. I could eat cherry pie filling with a spoon. I just love the stuff. Okay, I'm gonna spread it out into an even layer. Every scoop needs to have equal amounts of cherry. Okay, looking good. Now on top of our cherry pie filling, we are going to add a box of chocolate cake mix. So I'm just going to sprinkle that on there in a nice even layer. Come on, everybody out. Oh my God, it's like the box that doesn't stop. And then with the same spatula, I'm just going to spread this into an even layer. I mean, this is one of those recipes that if companies come in and it's like last minute, if you have these 3 things on hand, you'll have an easy dessert. Okay, on top of our cake mix, we have one more ingredient. Remember, I promised you there's only 3. I have half a cup of melted butter, and we're just gonna pour that right on top. Bam. I'm just gonna jiggle it around. I don't know if my spatula is gonna help get it smeared. Okay, and we're going to cover it with foil and bake it for 15 minutes in a preheated oven. Then we're gonna take the foil off and bake it for 15 more minutes. Just look at this cake, rich, fudgy, and bursting with those sweet cherries at the bottom. It's gonna be so moist, you'd never guess it starts with a box. So here's a little tip. If you wanna take it up a notch, add a handful of mini chocolate chips right into the batter, or drizzle some melted chocolate over the top of this once it cools. So I'm ready for a scoop. I don't know about you. I'm going in. This is more like a spoon cake. You're not gonna need like a spatula and a knife. Just go in there with this. Oh, look at that. Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna burn my lips off, but I don't care. I want some of everything here. Oh, this cake mix, chocolate cherry cake, is definitely a keeper. Oh my gosh. It's fast, it's foolproof, and perfect for any time you need a dessert in a hurry. Now, make sure you share this recipe with someone who loves easy desserts, and don't forget to grab that printable video in the video description. Thank you for baking with me today. I'm gonna finish this. If you love cake mix shortcuts, check out my 9-minute chocolate cake. It's decadent, easy, and ready in only 9 minutes. You can find that video right here. I'll see you over there.